Welcome back. In this lesson, I'll show you how to repeat columns on all pages when printing out your work in Excel. Why will you want to repeat columns, or why would you want to use the repeat column feature in Excel? The essence is when the width of that worksheet is quite large and it's impractical to fit the entire worksheet in one page. If you can see that the width of this worksheet is large. So fitting it in one page while printing out will make it so tiny and unreadable to the user. Right. So I'll click on the preview button so that you can see the layout if we are to print without uh, applying the repeat column feature on this worksheet. But before then, I would like to hide this rows, select this rows, just for better illustration and understanding. I'll click on the hide. So we're here. Now click on the preview. I'll click on the preview. Now we have our worksheet is in 3 pages, one of 3. So the first page has a customer name and has data from January to May, right? So you click on the arrow button, it takes you to the next. Now you look at the next page doesn't have that customer description column. So we have just details from June to December. And if you click on the next, the third one, you see from January 2021 to June. Now, in this lesson, what we want to do is let's go back to page 1 where we have the customer. We want this customer name column to be repeated in all the pages, right? So I'll click escape and let's go back to the worksheets now. I believe we now understand what it means repeating columns on all the printed pages of your worksheet. So to do that, you go to your page layout tab. Under the page setup, click on the print tabs. Good. Now you will see the columns to repeat at left. Select there, then go and select the column you want to repeat. Now you see my arrow. I want to select the entire column because I'm repeating this entire column. So good. Now it has inputted the cell reference in that particular section. When you're done, just click on print preview. Let's see the effect of this on our work. Now you see the first page has, now our worksheet is now in 4 pages because we are repeating one column on all the pages. So it has increased the pages to 4, which is okay as long as your readers can understand the data you're presenting to them. Now you have the first page with customer name and data from January to May 2020. The second page, you still have the customer name. You can see the customer name is still appearing in the second page, and June to October. The third page, we still have the customer name November to March 2021. And the last page, which is the fourth page, you still have the customer name and April to June, right? So you see that the column customer name is repeated on all the pages. So when you print it, this is how it's going to look like, right? So back to our worksheet. So this is how you go about repeating one column on all the printed pages of your worksheet. This brings us to the end of this lesson. I'll see you in the next lesson.